Welcome. If you manage a Telegram group and want to prevent other admins from deleting messages, you're in the right place. With the latest Telegram web update, you now have more control over what each admin can do in your group. Today, I'll guide you through the simple steps to restrict the delete messages permission for any admin, all from your PC. First, open Telegram web in your browser and log into your account. Once you're in, head over to the group where you hold admin privileges. It's important that you're an admin with the right to manage other admins' permissions. Next, click on the group's name at the top of the chat window. This will take you to the group's profile page. Here, look for the edit icon. It usually appears as a small pencil or gear symbol. Click on it to enter the group's settings menu. In the settings, find the section labeled Administrators. Click on it to see the list of all admins in your group. Now, locate the admin whose permissions you want to change and select their name. This will open a detailed permissions panel for that specific admin. Within this panel, you'll see a list of all the actions that admin is allowed to perform. Look for the option labeled Delete Messages. To prevent this admin from deleting messages, simply disable this option by clicking the toggle or unchecking the box next to it. After you've made your changes, don't forget to click Save. This step is crucial. If you leave without saving, your changes won't take effect. That's it. You've now successfully restricted the delete messages permission for that admin. From now on, they won't be able to remove messages from the group, giving you more control over your group's chat history and content. Managing permissions effectively helps keep your group organized and secure. If you found this guide helpful, consider sharing it with other group owners. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more Telegram tips and updates.